What's going on, traders? It is December 12th, Tuesday, 11:08 a.m. And where we last left, we were right over here, and I was saying that we would continue in this channel right here for another at least 8 hours. And we actually stayed in it for 10. That's what this consolidation was. That box is actually a 10-hour box because it starts on a candle, ends on a candle. And we came out of the consolidation, and the consolidation line acted as resistance. I said we'd be bouncing off of the, what is that? The 38.2 retracement level. However, I did not realize it was going to go into consolidation. I thought it was going to stay in expansion, and that's why we would get the bounce. It did not do that, and we got a point of resistance here. And we also got some bad news in the market. We got some people liquidating their future long positions. According to CoinDesk, I think it was. They said something about funding for future perpetual shares. And yeah, they believe that in part caused the market crash. It's probably a combination of both of those things, not either one or the other, but most likely both. So where are we now? We're now down here below the 100% retracement line. And it's looking like that's going to hold as resistance. It's been resistance for the last hour, and it's starting off as resistance in the 11 o'clock hour here. We're now 10 minutes into the hour, and it's looking like it's going to be pretty strong resistance. That said, there is a possibility of us breaking below the 40K trigger point. Although we attempted here and here with no success, it looks like we're now about to come back down and retest this level again. Maybe even get down to it. There is a possibility that we could go down here to the last level of the Fibonacci, because it is in play now, and break the 40K trigger point on a surge. As we already know, when it hits this, whether it bounces or crashes through, it's going to go on a multi-hour run. That multi-hour run, if it crashes through, could take us down to the bottom Fibonacci level, where I believe it'll most likely get stopped. Not really firm in that belief. That's a question mark belief. So that's where I'm looking at right now. This is going to remain resistance at the 100% retracement level, at the 161 retracement level. That's where the price is most likely going to go if it's able to crash through the trigger point. I have no idea what's going to happen at the trigger point. So far, there's been some support down here, like twice. I mean, the support could actually start from right up here and go down to the trigger point, or just like right down to the next long wick right there. So that's what we have. That's what we're going to do. Hoping for a bounce off of that 40K, but it won't surprise me if it goes to the 100.61 retracement level. Won't surprise me at all, especially now that the bears have taken back control. Yeah, they've been doing a pretty good job. So not going to surprise me. And it is now time for me to call it a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is the Dark Sage signing out. As always, have a blessed day and peace.